Have you ever struggled to manage your website? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their websites, especially if they're not tech-savvy. Today, we're going to be talking about cPanel, which is a web hosting control panel that makes it easy to manage your website and hosting account. cPanel is one of the most popular web hosting control panels in the world, and for good reason. It's easy to use, provides a wide range of features, and is scalable to meet the needs of any website. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of cPanel and where to buy cPanel service from. We'll also talk about some of the key security features that cPanel offers, but first, what is cPanel? cPanel is a web hosting control panel that provides a graphical user interface and automation tools designed to simplify the process of hosting a website. cPanel enables website owners to manage their website and hosting account through a web browser without having to learn complex command line instructions. Features of cPanel: website management, create and manage websites, including adding and removing files, creating and editing databases, and publishing your website to the internet. Domain management: manage your domain names, including creating and deleting subdomains, setting up DNS records, and managing email accounts. Email management: create and manage email accounts, including setting up email filters, forwarding email, and accessing webmail. File management provides a file manager that allows you to browse, upload, download, and manage the files on your web server. Database management provides a database manager that allows you to create and manage security features, provides a variety of security features, including password protection and SSL certificate management. Now, there are a lot of providers who scam people with fake cPanel offers, so that leaves us to one and only question: where to actually buy cPanel from? That is where TezHost comes in. TezHost is a reputable web hosting service provider, and they are the resellers of cPanel. We provide cPanel at competitive prices. There are a number of handful features you receive when buying cPanel from TezHost. There are 3 main plans TezHost offer: Economy, Deluxe, and Ultimate. Each has its own unique perks and abilities. Our Economy pack is our best-selling pack till now, which offers a storage space of 5 gigabytes and a bandwidth of 100 gigabytes. Meanwhile, in our Deluxe pack, you'll receive a storage space of 10 gigabytes and a bandwidth of 200 gigabytes. There are also other unique features to it, like email accounts, parked domains, SSL, and much more that comes with it. You can always view our offers on www.tezhost.com and then clicking on cPanel. TezHost also offers 24/7 customer support, meaning that you can always ask our customer support team if you need assistance. TezHost cPanel is the ultimate choice for your website. So what are you waiting for? Place an order right now and let us ease your life.